Guys, so before we get started, I'm actually wearing Beauty Forever hair, and this is their body wave. The longest length is 22 inches and it's pretty long for 22 inches. This is what the hair looks like in its natural state. I have not done anything to alter this hair or the curls. I do have it up in a top bun knot type of thing, and that's because the closure is darn near straight. When it comes to closures and wavy hair, it's most likely a miss for me, irrespective of the company. Now I will go ahead and say this closure is going to take work which I'll help to put in right now. So I went on ahead, honey, and I just put it up in like a little bun situation. That's what I did, honey. And yeah, so before we get started, this is the hair. I will go in depth as the video goes on, but this video is either going to be a voiceover or I'm going to be playing music, because as you can hear, Jonathan is watching his show. He's watching Tarzan and Jane. He loves Tarzan and Jane. I love Tarzan and Jane too. So he's watching that. So I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, and I'm going to be using a few stuff from ColorPOP. Most of the stuff from ColorPOP. I really want this to be like a talk through, but my son, he's not feeling well, so I'm just I'm having him do what it do. So I'm going to be using the Perception palette, and it's a collab that Shayla did with ColorPOP. I'm loving the colors so far just by looking at it. I have not swatched it or anything, which is why I wanted this to be like a nice little voiceover, but I mean a little talk through, but whatever. I guess if I can still make it work, if I gave him my phone to watch it on, it can still work. And I'm also going to be using her, what's it called, loose powder highlighter in Boomin'. I have some other ColorPOP stuff that I'll be using as well, but for now I'm going to be coming back with you guys with this hair by the end of the video, let you guys know what I think about it. But I can tell you so far, I love Beauty Forever. I've been working with them for a couple months well now, and the only hair I've got that I have not liked is this closure, just this closure. And that's why whenever you guys see me the reviews, I'm either doing straight hair or kinky curly hair or curly hair, because the closures are more than likely a miss for me when it comes to this kind of texture. But that being said, this texture on my face, it goes really well. I love how it sits on me. Look at that, my face is darker than my body. Anyway, yeah, I love how it sits on me, but yeah, it's just that this, I just don't like what the frontal looks like, and I'm going to show you guys what the frontal looks like at the end of the video. But yeah, so enjoy the video, guys, and Beauty Forever, big up on yourself. Yeah, I just don't like the closure, the bundles, c'est magnifique. Alright, so let's jump into the video. Alright guys, so he's in the room. I don't know if you can hear my phone, hopefully you can't, but the TV's, I don't know, but anyway. So I'm barefaced, and as I said in the intro, I did get some products from ColorPOP. So I got this dark 175 no filter foundation. Now these don't come with a cover. I don't know why, honey, but it don't come in no cover. Alright, so a part of the ColorPOP stuff I got was this concealer, and it's in the color dark 48. Guys, I don't know, but I don't know, man. I don't know, man. This thing is about as dark as my palm, honey. I don't know. I don't. And look, I just touched it a while ago because I was sharpening my pencil. You see that? I just started to pull it, and it's messed up already. So I'm going to put it right here on my hand, and then take the product from here to do my brows, to define my brows. Alright, just by doing my brows, I can tell that the concealer dries down really matte. It dries down matte. So this is dark 175. This thing is so light. I'm really reconsidering using this. Let me see how dark. Alright, so this is what it looks like beside the concealer. So it's hella lighter than I am. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let me just use this brush. No, I think I'm going to use this to highlight. Instead, I'm going to use my Camouflage foundation from Sasha Cosmetics. So I think I'm going to be using that foundation for highlight. Okay, alright, so then I'm going to be taking my beauty blender and I'm just going to be absorbing some of this because it's really thick. Alright guys, so for my highlight I am changing my mind, and I'm still, my hands are kind of dirty because of the foundations and stuff, and it is really messing up, you guys. It's not even focusing good. You see this? My hands are kind of dirty, yeah, and it's really messing up the cover of this. So I'm just like, I don't know. This is in what again? Excuse me, dark 48. Lord of God. Lord of God. Oh Lord, I need to buy another table because I have like my stuff on the table over here. I need to buy another one that I can rest my laptop in so I can see a better quality. So I can see near to the quality that you'll be seeing whenever I upload, rather than using the viewfinder. So this is dark 48. Not bad. Okay, whenever this concealer mixes with foundation, it appears to be full coverage. So not bad. I don't mind it. Not bad at all. Yeah, turn it down a little. Guys, this is not bad. So I'm just going to blend out the edges. And I see how the concealer and the foundation is making this, it's making it look like one, like my color. Oh, okay. I still come back, but hold on. This is their no filter sheer pressed powder. And this is what it looks like, that color. And I'm actually going to be using this as my highlight. Ooh, not bad. Not bad at all. This is nice. Okay, yeah, this is nice. This is nice. And it is kind of sheer. It's not as full coverage as the, because I'm accustomed to using the Sacha powders now for a while. I've been using it for months. You guys have seen me use it time after time after time after time after time. But this is not bad. Look at that, you guys. It's just mattifying everything. It's not bad. I don't know how I feel about makeup with white packaging. I'm just so confused by it. And even if it's white packaging, at least have the material be something easy to clean. It's just like, look at the side of this, because it's all messed up already. And this is my first time using it. Like the sides right here. It's my look at that. My first time using it. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not gonna ever understand it. God no. Maybe when I start make my own powder and some palette, I kind of understand. But as a consumer, I am baffled. Alright. Not bad. So then I'm going to, oh, and that was in the color dark. So now I'm going to be using deep dark. So the color difference. And this is going to be my all over face. And it's again their no filter sheer. This is what deep dark looks like. So let me just, same brush. Alright guys. The coverage is okay because I used a full coverage foundation underneath. I guess that's why, but I mean the coverage for me is high, you know, it's good, and I love the color. It mixes well with my foundation. You see that? I love the color. Alright, so alright, so it's time for the eyes, and I'll be using the Perception Shayla X ColorPOP palette. Those bad boy right here. Ooh, and it has a mirror. That's great. Okay, so let me go ahead and go in with Culture. And Culture is this color right here. And I'm going to, oh my god, I'm going to pat it on. Just go with it. Go with it. I thought it was like a tan color, but it's coming off a little bit orange. It gone again? Bring it come. Is you making it go in? Jonathan, stop pressing things.
No, not me.
Jonathan, after you press it up, so press it up and it'll go away.
And then we press it, no, and then we press it, tap it, tail.
Taking this same color. Let me just continue with Culture. And I'm putting Culture all over my lid. But you see the difference with brush application though, guys, because look, I applied the same color on my brow bone and it's not coming off as strong. And I'm using like a blending brush to go on my eyes. It's just giving it, this brush is giving like just a wash of color, and it's more sparse. I don't know if you understand what I mean. But for my brow bone, it's more concentrated. You're seeing the color, but for the rest of my eyes, you're not. Like if I didn't show you guys, if I didn't show you that I was actually applying color to my eyes, you'd have never guessed that color was at my eyes. But anyway, I'm going in with thick, and it's an orange. Y'all know how I feel about orange, honey. And I'm just going to be doing like a nice, I don't know what look I'm doing, but I'm going to be doing 2 looks from this palette. I'm putting thick in my crease and then blending it up right on my brow bone. Maybe it's because I applied the other color underneath. It's not coming off as pigmented as it looks in the pan. Okay, this eye is more. Okay, so let's go over here and add some more. I'm going to kind of pat it on now to get some more color payoff. And I'm actually using a lot of this product, you guys. I'm just realizing how much I'm using. I don't know. On all over. Okay, good. That's a nice orange look. Nice. Just take what's on the brush and kind of carry it under here. Then let's just go in with Played Out. And all these colors I'm using are the matte colors. Wow, okay, yeah. Played Out is nice. Yeah. Played Out is nice, you guys. Going in with some more Played Out, then I'm going to be patting it on so that I get more color payoff. Then taking whatever's on the brush and just kind of blending that up. Alright, initially Played Out was, it appeared to be going on nicely, but again, oh no, the horses are sad. Oh, bye-bye, they'll be okay. But now I see like it is, like I have to be putting on a good amount. Yeah, so that's that for that. Then I'm going to be just lining my eyes with a black eyeliner pencil. Then I'm going to be blending that out. See, and let me go ahead. I did purple the last time. Oh, let me go ahead with Stallion. Stallion is like this. It's black, but it has blue like glitter reflex in there. So if you can come closer. I mean, I'm seeing it. Are you guys seeing the reflex? I'm seeing it. Alright, then I'm going to be taking this brush I used to apply. What I used to apply? Culture, the brow bone color. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend this away. Then going in with my face brush, my powder brush that I used. I'm going all over my face because I'm not wearing a primer, but I'm getting a little bit. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take and then pull this up like that. Pull it up like that. Yeah, nice. Okay, so then that's it for this palette. For this look, for my lips, this is actually Ultra Satin Lip, and it's called Wish Ultra Satin Lip, and it's ColorPOP X Delilah. Oh, and look, it kind of matches my eyes. Oh, this is nice. All right. Ooh, you guys, it's looking good. Booming. Oh, Shayla. And it's not, I don't even, and obviously with the loose powders, you do not need a lot, as I throw a gallon on my face. Alright guys, so the glue is still drying, but this is the finished look, the entire look. The glow powder, the matte satin lips. This reminds me of CosmoPOP from Lime Crime, but this is matte. This is actually matte, but it's satiny. You see that? Like my lips still can kind of stick together. I love it. I love it. I love it, honey. Ooh. And then my hair from, oh, and I told you guys, I wanted to show you guys what the closure looks like at the beginning of the video. See, the closure is not as curly as the rest of the hair. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's definitely not as curly as the rest of the hair. Definitely. I mean, it does have some waves, but when you look at the rest of the hair, it pales in comparison to the closure. Are you guys seeing that? No? Just me? You guys must be seeing that. Can't just be me. Can't just be me. The Batman got them O's. Yeah. Lord of God. But yes, this is a look, you guys. Hair again from Beauty Forever Hair on AliExpress. I will leave all the information in the description bar for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Beauty Forever, thank you so much for sending me this hair to review. As I said, I've always loved your hair. I have no issues with their hairs whatsoever. The ones that I've gotten, none of them I've had issues with. It's just the closure for like the wavy hairs. I realize that they don't have the same curl pattern. I wouldn't say standard, but it doesn't have the same curl pattern as the bundles. See? Yes, so this is the look. My hair look and my makeup look.
Finish?
If I finish the video?
Yeah.
Almost.
Guys.
Oh, you hear me say bye, guys. You see the other video that I make, you're going to be in it with me here. The other video that I'm going to make, you're going to be in it with me. But hold on, I'm going to tell them bye bye again, okay?
Can me too?
Of course. Alright guys, I'll talk to the next video. Beauty Forever Hair, thank you so much for sending me this to review.
Bye.
Bye guys. Bye. Say bye bye.
Bye.
You have to say it loud so they can hear you.